Welcome back, Pure Shark Traders on YouTube, for another market analysis for London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 gold and also oil, give you guys some of those we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P, you can see we had some nice resistance up above right around these 44.58 to about 65s. That's where our resistance zone is, and right now we have support coming in right around these 33.75s. Below that, 44.15.25 is our next level of support. So what do we want to see? Kind of right in the middle, so you can see a nice head and shoulders that may formulate here to pull us down, but also there is a double bottom that we have right here that could actually shoot us up. Now usually in the middle of this we see where we came from, which is this support, this main level of support, and we see that it's continuing to climb and make higher highs and higher lows. So in this case, this double bottom could actually be more of the lead that we look at for the continuation up into this resistance first, and then see a nice opportunity for a short here. If not there, you can see next level up of resistance, a little bit of a zone that we have up here, a little bit wider, 74 to about 76.50, where we could see the market try to get up to as well. So just keep that in mind. You know, you could take this kind of a micro area 47 and try to short it from there, but you got to see this reject here, and then once it rejects again, have a nice opportunity to try to short that, maybe get a nice head and shoulders there for a continued push lower. If you do this, you want to see it push past 33.75 into our next level, 44.15.25. For those who want that double bottom, you should be on the long already for the double bottom, which happened right here, and you should be trying to get it to press higher past these 47s. Now if it continues to reject, you may want to continue to hold your stops a bit tighter. That way, if it comes back, you don't let it come back too far for you. But we'll see what happens there as we draw into the London session open. Moving over into gold. Gold, we are on the move up. Want to see it touch 1947.7. That's where we got our resistance. If we fail to get through there, that's going to be a nice double top opportunity we look for a nice short down from that area. Now support has already happened right around our level of 28 to about 30. You can see a nice double bottom formulated here for a continued push. So we want to see it push past these 40s, which is a little bit of resistance that we see. If we can get it to do that, next level up is going to be right around those 47s to about 50. So keep that in mind. But right now, that's where our support is, 28. Below that, 1914.8 and 1907.8. But again, resistance 47.7 is where we're at, and we're going to be looking for when we draw into the London session. Now moving over into crude oil. Crude oil, we have rejected 113.04. Now we are pulling down. Want to see a bit of a pullback. Now forget a bit of a pullback and we hold underneath. This is going to be a nice continued short, trying to come back down here right off this area here. I'll highlight it, maybe a little bit of a closer area here, which is going to be these 111.42s. That's where we're looking for this market to try to pull down to. So that's where we had the double bottom to increase the move. Want to see if we get that pullback, reject off of this area of 112, and then continue to try to pull down from there into our support. So keep that in mind. 112.46 is where we're looking for that resistance for the continuation lower. Support underneath 111.42 is 111.14. So that could be the area that we look for the support happening. Again, we have had a nice double bottom here. So if we do get this nice support happen here, we could look for a long back up. But if it falls deeper, this is the next area we're looking for the long, right off the 111.14. So we'll keep an eye out for that as we draw into the London session. But again, right now, keeping an eye out for that pullback, get that resistance at 112.46, and then get a nice short opportunity to the downside. But that wraps it up for S&P 500 gold and also oil. Again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Other than that, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care.